Hello, trading is closed on December 3rd, 2014. We had some calls yesterday. I looked for a slight rally at the open. I looked for a top around either 10:30 or 11:30 Eastern Time. Here's 10:30. I thought we then dropped throughout the day, and at this point, I thought everything was going according to plan. Instead of dropping into the close, we had a rally into the close, and let's see what that means. We had a mejt, a target of 2062.95. It failed to print in its preferred time frame. We'll add that to the list. We have targets without a time frame, ultimate targets of 2062.70 and a new one of 2068.44 from today. In the last 12.5 years, not counting these, we have only 3 or 4 ultimate targets which have not printed. So the odds are pretty high. Those prices will be seen at some time. The system just doesn't say when. We have a new target of 2071.32, but it's optional because we came close enough to the thick line here. Optional targets don't have to print, but they usually do. Well, starting out low and rallying all day is a positive signal. It would be negated if we had a gap down. We have a negative formation in that we had a gap up late last month, and we couldn't ever hold a close and a subsequent open over that price. We now have a close over that price, and if we open over 2071.46, that'll be the first time we manage to do that, and that would be overcoming strong resistance. We do have lower mejt targets. We also have a new high on the SPX without a new high on the NASDAQ. So there is a chance we have a gap down, but I don't think it's a lock. The best I can come up with for tomorrow is we have lower prices targeted by the mejt system. I think if we don't have a gap down, I think the targets are at increased risk of failing to print. This was pretty positive action, and all the bulls have to do is to maintain this price at tomorrow's open. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. And that's today's call.